Being able to aggregate the quantity for picked lines provides warehouse workers with greater flexibility during picking. This capability supports expediting the picking of an item needed for multiple sales orders on a shipment. The set quantity can be used to specify the total quantity of that item being picked, with the end result being that the picked quantity is distributed across the multiple orders automatically. There are some important WMS settings that drive the behavior of this feature. If an item is lot tracked and the use default lot serial number setting in sales order preferences for warehouse management is selected, the quantity is spread among all the lines for the item in the location. If not selected, the quantity is spread among all the lines for the lot in the location. For serial tracked items, when the option is not selected, each serialized item must be scanned separately. When selected, the quantity can be spread among the lines in the location. If the use default location is selected, the lines of the item are aggregated, ignoring the location. Pack mode is also supported. Pack mode can be used to pick into the box where the picking and packing are done at the same time. Now let's have a closer look at this feature with a demo. So here I have multiple sales orders having the same item on them, so setting up the scenario where we can see this feature in action. I'm going to begin our picking process by printing the pick list, and using that pick list I'm going to simulate barcode scanning. So here I'm going to copy and paste the shipment number to get us started. So here I'm going to simulate the scan, paste it into our pick, pack, and ship, and I begin the process of picking. I'm going to scan the barcode of the location and then the barcode of the item. So we're going to begin our picking with the Lego 500-piece set, which is not lot controlled. And here I'm going to use the set quantity so that we can see this feature in action. I will specify the full quantity. So I will scan or enter 25, and notice that this quantity that was picked gets automatically distributed against those two sales orders. Now we'll pick our second item. So we'll indicate that we're picking from the same location. Here we have a lot controlled item, this Powerade. Now I will scan the lot number. So notice that the same lot number will be used to satisfy this full pick. So here I scan that lot, and again, using this set quantity, what it will do is for that lot, that full pick quantity will be distributed across those two sales order lines. Notice here we're in pack mode and we're using paperless picking and showing you the settings. Here we have again the same situation where we have an item that is spread across two sales orders. So here showing you that it's supported in paperless picking, and we're demonstrating this pack mode. So here just skipping ahead to where we are in the picking and starting to scan the barcode of the item. So here this lot control item that we saw in the previous example, here we're going to specify that full pick quantity by using this set quantity. And the same outcome that we saw in the previous demonstration will be that that full pick quantity will be distributed automatically across those two sales order lines for that same lot. And then we'll just click Finish and Next. And in our scenario here, there's nothing else left to pick. In our picking queue, it's empty, so we've completed our paperless picking.